Hey guys, good morning. So this is day 6. So we are starting our journey from Jaipur to Muradabad, UP. Why I choose Muradabad? Because my house is there, my child is there. We need to meet him and we'll spend some time with family and take a rest of 2 days, or then we'll continue our next ride after that. Entered in the pink city of Jaipur. You can find everything is pink in this area. This is old Jaipur. These all boundaries are during the Rajas or Kings time. That's why it's still the same color what they have, the pink city. So finally we have connected to the Jaipur Delhi highway. And we are on our way to Muradabad, our home. Delhi is 255 kilometers. Today's journey would be around 450 kilometers till our home. Bye bye Jaipur, bye bye. So we are stopping for a breakfast. Hotel Highway King. क्या खाना है? सबवे? हाँ? चलो. देखो उन्होंने बिल भी बना रखा है अपना. The location is very nice. So we parked our bike there. So we can see the bike from the subway. So we have ordered the Subway Club and the turkey and chicken slices. So this is our sub which is getting prepared. We ordered the Kesar Kulfi Faluda. So we are on the way now after having breakfast. I would say this is the really busy highway, maybe because of the Delhi, or the distance between Jaipur and Delhi is not so much, so people might be traveling more. So during our last water break we have decided to go to one of my college friend. So he stays in Delhi, Dwarka. So that is on our way. So 1 year back he became a father of a little princess. So that time we couldn't go because we are in Bangalore and busy with our office. What else is good? We are going Delhi and he is there. So we'll meet everyone today. So we will spend around 1 hour there, just because after that we need to go to our home as well, and we don't want to be late. So finally we have reached our friend's house. My wife is doing an entry. और भाई लग रही है यार गर्मी.
A few moments later.
Hey guys, so we have stopped in between because of the weather. It's very bad. So as now you can see how's the weather condition in near the Muradabad. We are just 50 kilometers away from our home and got disturbed due to the bad weather. So we are going to have Burger King. Lots of calories.
2 hours later.
From Burger King. So normally we avoid riding in the night, but due to heavy rain, today we have to. और अब हम लोग घर जा रहे हैं. We'll have 2 days stay there. Again we'll start our journey from there to Amritsar and then to Leh. We are so excited entering Muradabad city.